Hey there, baddies. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be cash stuffing my saving challenges for the month. Remember, I'll do this once a month as I can if I have the extra income. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, if you were able to snag you a copy of this, let's go ahead and get to saving. On my site, but I do sell the savings challenge binders, so if you're looking for something to keep your envelopes in, I sell these. If not, I'm so lost for names. Princess Budgets and Prosperously Pink sell these. I got mine from my good sis Prosperously Pink. She gifted it to me. Right, so we'll get those settled. These markers are again from Amazon. They're soft gel highlighters. I will link those in the description as well. And I track everything inside of this A7 size notebook. I mean, it can be used as a wallet or whatever, but I use it as a notebook. And I just cut down some budget sheets to fit. So we will work through this week's. As you can see here, I just budget out each challenge that I'm doing, as well as the denominations. Again, this is available in my shop as well. Comes with the paper, but you have to buy the budget sheet separate. So I'm gonna set this to the side for now. Here's my budget sheet for everything I'll be adding today. I also have the cash back here. I believe today we will be stuffing $600. So how is everybody doing? Were you able to snag you a copy of my savings book? I'm thinking about doing a digital version as well. For those who it's a little out of your price range, you can maybe snag the digital version. I just have to find the time because, you know, you have to reformat it and stuff. Okay, so I went ahead and filled this out because I felt like that was a bore last week. So let's go ahead and get into these challenges. So the very first one we're going to do is the luxury challenge. And to the luxury challenge today, we will be adding $40. So I'm just gonna pick a random marker here. I'm not one of those people who is super particular about like colors and stuff. I'm just not, so I'm not gonna pretend to be on here. So here's a 40 diamond, and y'all know I can't color to save my life, so please don't come for me. But I will do my best. Okay, so there's our 40. So we're gonna take our luxury envelope. And we're going to add in $40. And you know what I'm actually gonna do is pull these out, because it's just a little easier. While this binder is beautiful, that puff makes it very unfunctional, but it's too cute for me to take off, so struggle we shall. Okay, we'll pull this back out at the end. But for now, we're gonna take our luxury envelope and we'll be adding $40 to whatever is in here. There's 20, 40. So our new total in here is 20, 40, 60, $70. As to what kind, I know a few people asked what kind of luxury purchase I'd be wanting to make. I don't know. I'm not really a big luxury item buyer because I'm at home a lot, so I have expensive stuff to sit it at home, but I don't know. Probably perfume, because that's what I love. Next is our Let's Get Away challenge, and we will be adding $35 to Let's Get Away today. Let's do this brown. So that means we'll be coloring in a passport. That's $20. Hot air balloon, because that makes it 30. And a 5 will be a suitcase. Okay, so there is our $35 for this challenge. Now let's go ahead and add it to our envelope. I'm obsessed with these envelopes. I love them so much. 35. So we're gonna do 20, 35. So our new total in here, 20, 30, 35, 40. So 40 bucks, which is right on the money for what our tracker says. All right, next up is Oh Baby. I know a bunch of TikTokers really love this one. I know so many women suffer from infertility, so, you know, that can be a thing, and it's an expensive thing. I've been looking into freezing my eggs, and good God. Whew. Okay, so for Oh Baby, we are going to be adding $100 today. So we are going to be coloring in a diaper, because our diapers are worth $100. I've had some things happen in my life recently that, you know, have led me to believe I may need to freeze my eggs, because relationships are full of, you know, inconsistencies, and I ain't depending on nobody for the things I want. So $105 in here now. So we'll see. Alrighty, up next is our self-care challenge, which is up towards the front. Somebody told me to put tabs on here, and that's such a good idea. I'm gonna order some and find the time, and I will do that. So in self-care this week, we will be adding $20. So let's do a green. So for our $20 today, we're gonna get to color the big heart. This green looks a little bit like throat. Gross. Okay. So there's 20, and we'll be adding our 20. This was probably one of the fan favorite challenges. People enjoyed this one and the $10 challenge the most, because who doesn't love treating yourself, you know? And it's guilt-free because you saved up to do it. Okay, so there's $30 in here. For our $5 challenge, we are supposed to be adding our rollover 5s from the weekly. Let me see. If you watch that hot mess video, you know that I had to use those 5s to make change. So before we go any further, I'll go to the $5 challenge, and I'll leave that one blank because I'm not ever sure what the amount will be. So to our $5 challenge, we're going to be adding $25. Let's see what's already in here. I'll break this 20 down into 5s eventually, but 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So we now have $50 in here. And so what I'm gonna do is go in and color $50 worth of hands real quick. Bam. All right, next up is our $10 challenge. And if I'm not mistaken, I will be adding, oh, $20 today. Okay, so in here now we have $30. Alrighty. So today we get to color in one cloud and two clouds. Next up is the $20 challenge, to which we will be adding $20. So we now have 40. And don't be ashamed if you do savings challenges and something in life happens where you have to use the money. That's what it's there for. It's literally just another form of savings. Not everyone's money will make it to the end of the year, and that's perfectly okay. At least the money is there when you had that crisis, you know? That's what I try to think. When I first started out, I remember I was doing like a 52-week challenge that I found on Etsy or something. And I had saved up like $500, and it felt absurd to just have that sitting in an envelope. And I was like, oh my God, I really saved that. And then life happened and I had to spend it. And it was so disheartening, but at the end of it, I was like, at least I had the money there. I didn't have to beg or borrow from anybody. I was just able to get the money, and I started the challenge over. So anyway, that's that on that. Don't give up on yourself. Keep at it. Next up is our home challenge. Okay, and for this one, you just set your own goal amount for the year, whatever, and then just divide it by, I believe, 25. So each line for me is worth $800. So to this home challenge today, I will be adding $100. And I don't get to color anything yet because, I mean, I guess I could halfway through, but I'll just wait and color the whole line. It ain't that deep. So we now have $200 in here. And for me, this is just slow going. You guys know I'm attacking student loan debt, so this is just, I love savings challenges, so it's a little fun on the side with extra money. It pushes me to side hustle a little harder, so I have something to actually stuff every month. So yeah. Our search and find is next. This one's really cool. It's one of my favorites. I haven't really seen anything like it. I love being creative and creating new things. It's the best. Okay, so for search and find, we're going to be adding $10 today. Now I actually have to find 10. Here it is. I'll use that one. Okay. So we now have $25 in here. All right, up next is our 50 envelope challenge. And here it is. And to our 50 envelope challenge, we are going to be adding $25 today. So we get to color in a big envelope today. And we'll take a 20 and a 5. So we now have $30 in here. Okay, up next is our Christmas challenge. And to our Christmas challenge, we will be adding $30. Alrighty. This Christmas challenge actually helped me get all of my Christmas money for last year in like 5 months. So we now have 50 in here. So once I complete this challenge, or once I, you know, if it takes me all year or whatever, the money will go to my holidays envelope. Okay, our car down payment will be receiving $150. As again, y'all know, your bestie is trying to get a Tessie. I don't know why that dog is howling like a wolf. That dog is like a teeny dog. So there is 50, 100, and another 50. Okay. Oh no, I was supposed to be adding 100. I'll have to not color in next week. My bad. The total should be 150. Oops. Okay. Forgive me. And the last one is our $100 challenge, which isn't a part of this book. It's just one I'm doing on the side. Again, just for extra savings, whether I'm able to purchase my dream car at the end of the year or I need this as a boost to pay off student loans. So in here we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So we now have $2,100 in our $100 savings challenge. Let me find my marker. Ugh, I have to find it after. I don't know where my purple is. So, I'm coloring that 100, and I'll fix it later. All right, so we're all good to go there, and we are all saved for the week. So, here's our budget sheet. There's everything. Sorry, y'all, somebody's at my door. There's everything we were able to save for the week, which is a really good start. Once a month for now, but as student loans dwindle down, I may be able to start doing them bi-weekly, but we shall see. Thank you guys so much for watching, being a part of this journey with me. I appreciate and love you guys so much. Have a great week. Bye.
Something to buy, yeah. Set the potato,